Ever had that heart-sinking moment when you spot a water leak in your home? A burst pipe, perhaps, or a puddle under the sink? Yeah, me too. It's like watching money literally go down the drain. But don't panic. That small twist of metal called the main water shutoff valve is about to become your best friend. It's this simple device that stands between you and an indoor flood. I'm going to let you in on a secret. Knowing how to operate it isn't rocket science. It's actually quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. Let's dive deep into how to turn off the water to your house with confidence, be it for maintenance work or those unforeseen emergencies. Understanding your home's water shutoff system is crucial for managing your water supply. Knowing where your main water shutoff valve is located is key. It could be in your basement, garage, or near an outdoor faucet. Make sure you know where yours is before any plumbing issue arises. Operating your water shutoff valve is the first step in handling a plumbing issue. There are two types of valves. A gate valve might look like an old-fashioned wheel, but it gets the job done. To turn off the water with a gate valve, find the round wheel handle on top of the valve. Gently turn this clockwise until it stops. Don't force it. A ball valve has an easy-to-use lever handle. You'll notice that when water is flowing, the lever aligns with the pipes. To stop water, rotate this 90 degrees so it's perpendicular to the pipes. Once the water is off, it's essential to reduce pressure in your pipes before they burst. To avoid potential damage and make repairs easier, open all faucets starting upstairs and working your way down. This lets trapped water flow out instead of staying pressurized within. Restarting your water supply. After repairs requires caution. Slowly open the main shutoff valve to avoid damaging pipes or fixtures. Start by twisting it counterclockwise just a bit and then wait for about 5 minutes. This slow start allows pressure to build up gradually in your system, avoiding any sudden shocks. After this initial period, you can fully open the valve. Remember not to force it if there's resistance. Forcing could damage the valve itself. If things seem stuck, try using some penetrating oil. Regular maintenance and inspection of your water shutoff system are crucial to prevent future issues. For more details or assistance, contact Anthem today.